farm life.
Oh, kittens are out. Well, they can climb like on it now. Oh no. Oh, it's disgusting. For what? Alrighty, chicken time. Dump the whole thing in here? Oh, how's this guy limping? Oh, jeez. Excuse me, guys.
Set it on top of that wood. I'm gonna see if that'll keep it a little bit cleaner. She set that up before like that.
Oh, I see. Wait, did I leave the bucket in there? Oh, I did.
And then I think we should check the main calf water. Fill that. Look at that, and we still only use 1 bucket of water.
Yeah, crazy.